Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, a very special day. Sitting next to me is Rohit. Rohit has claimed 25 points towards his permanent residency, cleared his PT with 8 each, and cleared his NATI in the very first attempt as well. Congratulations, Rohit.
Thank you so
Well
much,
done.
sir.
Well done. Very, very happy. This is something very special. Guys, very special. Why? Because it wasn't a short journey, especially when we talk about his PT. In total, you told me you have taken 32 attempts.
Yes, 32 attempts.
Not easy.
Not easy.
I would
at
have
all.
given up. I'll be very honest. I would have given up. 90% of the students out there will give up after 4 to 5 attempts. 32 attempts. What kept you going on? I really need to know and want the audience to know as well, because a lot of time I see students who are capable, who all of them are there capable, but who are almost there. They give up when they miss by 1 or 2
Yes.
points. You missed by 1 or 2 points a number of times.
Number
I
of
know.
times.
Number of times. What kept you going on? Please, if you can share, will be of great help.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. I would start my this conversation with I started my journey for NATI and PT, but specifically in July 2018. Yes, no, sorry, July 2017. I started my journey towards my PT to crack down it. So for 1 year, I did 10 attempts, and each and every time I was short for 10, 12, 14 marks. And after that, from 2018 July onwards, I went to another class. So there as well, there was just pattern, and they used to tell me that you just have to mug up this all questions. You will just crack it. So for 6 months as well, continuously, I kept on going, but nothing happened. Like there was no technique, nothing at all. So there was just one structure that you have to mug them and you will pass it. But I was not the person who can remember all the questions. So later, uh, I went through some online classes from January 2019 onwards, but still I failed and failed and failed again and again. So there was no proper guidance at all. And one question I used to ask to each and every sub before that what I need to do, like how can I clear it. There were so many questions in PT, like so many questions, and I was already at 22 times on and on. So after 2018 June or July, I remember I came to meet Varun sir. So he told that just give one mock test. He will let me know that what are the shortcomings, and you will find each and everything after the mock test. So once I gave the mock test, one day after he just called me and told that this is your negative impacts and you have to cover these points as well. So just come to class and start practicing. So after that, for 2 to 3 months, I just practice in the lab here. So yes, after that as well, for continuously in speaking, I was not getting, because before speaking was just I was giving a pattern. Like a parrot, whatever they taught me, I was speaking that only. Coming here, I just dropped my fixed structure in speaking, especially in describe image and retail lecture. So there was a fixed structure. I just dropped that. So 10 times I got 78 in speaking, and rest every section I was just clearing it. So in November, after 3 to 4 months, I was practicing here, and sir taught me how to do speaking as well. You don't have to go with a fixed structure. So in November 28 2000
2019.
yeah 2019, so I just clear it with 8 bands. And due to shortage of visa, I told sir that I need to clear NATI as well. What should I do? So he told that just wait, don't worry, don't panic at all. So I was very new to NATI as well, and heard rumors that it is very hard, you won't be able to do it. Like there's so much of vocabulary, blah blah blah, each and everything people used to say. And apart from that, I just came to sir. He told me don't worry about it at all and don't hear any rumors. So I started my NATI journey from December 25th 2019. Yeah, so around that only I started, and within a month, like I just had 4 weeks, and I gave my examination on 24th of January. And in those 4 weeks, just I will tell you one thing: attend every classes, whatever Varun sir, Rishabh sir, whoever says. Like you have to attend the classes regularly, and you have to you have to do vocabulary as well. And whatever dialogue sir says, You have to concentrate on that and give the test as well, whatever sir says. So just give 4 weeks to this language academy and you will crack it for sure. That's 100% assurity.
Thanks for that, Rohit. But one thing which I take out of your journey is not giving up.
Yeah.
Guys, it's not easy to start in 2017 and finish your journey in 2019. Very, very difficult. A lot of us will give up, but you did not give up, and that's why you are here standing with 25 points. Really proud of you. Being honest, I would have given up, but you did not. What was your motivation behind that? How did you? Because every time you don't get the result, you question yourself.
Yes.
You think, why me? Right? You always have this thing, why this is happening with me? My friend got the score. I'm practicing more, but still, why I'm not getting the score? How did you used to keep yourself going on? What motivated you? And despite many failures, what motivated you to go and get this done?
Okay, sir. To be very frank, I will include my wife as well. She motivated me a lot because I was giving up each and every time because it was very frustrating that you are not getting marks. And later, like whenever I used to call my parents as well, they used to motivate me like anything. So my family, my wife, and around my some friends as well, they keep on motivating me that कोई बात नहीं हो जाएगा, don't worry about it, and you have to study and you have to give time. And once I was here, so you were the one, like don't worry at all, don't concentrate whatever you have already given, so just focus on your next exam and don't worry about the exam which you have already given. So this is the motivation factors. Yes, there will be many negative factors around you, many negative people around you, but don't worry about them, just focus on yourself and keep on trying. You will get it for sure.
That's right, Rohit. Very well said, guys. Get rid of negativity all around you, guys. PT is more about positivity. PT, you have to have a very positive mindset. Any advice for them, please?
So, so I'm not the person who can give the perfect advice, but I will just let you know that whatever mock test you are giving or you are giving a final examination in PT, so if you are lacking in speaking, then focus on speaking more and try to do each and everything as well. Like don't focus on speaking itself, and yes, keep on going. Don't hear anything else, and just focus on whatever you want to achieve. That's it.
That's right. Very well said, Rohit. Guys, very important. You just focus on your goal. If you will be distracted, you'll focus here and there. A lot of time, what you get is your friend gets the score, and you ask him, how did you do it? Right? And then all of a sudden, you change all your strategies.
Yes.
Make sure you consult an expert and only focus on what an expert or your tutor has told you. Because sometimes a strategy might work for your friend but will not work for you because there are a number of factors which will impact your score in PT. Guys, do not give up 32 times, and he has made it. Very proud of you, Rohit. Well done. That's it from this video, guys. To make sure you do not give up, believe in yourself, and you are going to make it happen. Thanks, guys. All the very best.